Welcome guys to a new Nyjo FX tutorial. Today I'd like to show you something related to LiquiGen and simulation based on other material like the mud on snow or stuff like that. Everything is based on something I saw over the web on LinkedIn, for example. You see that's done by this great artist. It's a simulation of mud and snow made essentially using LiquiGen. So I tried to figure out how you can do something like that. So I decided to create a simple setup. And you see we have a mesh that was generated in 3ds Max, but obviously you can generate what you like with the software you prefer. And then you have you see that here we have the simulation. Simulation is lower than usually because we are going to use a lot of steps. By the way, we'll talk about it in a few. So you see here we have the mesh we generated in 3ds Max, the green one, and then we have the mesh exported by LiquiGen on the other side. Obviously playing is not so fast because we are also simulating with LiquiGen. So back to the simulation. And you see that's the result. Mesh is not super high density, but it works. So we are creating a nice effects of the track over, in this case, something that can be similar to a mud or snow simulation. It works. Obviously there are more ways to do it, but it is a really simple setup you can play with. And so it is time to start learning how to do something like that.